Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Valerie Thompson, and today I'm going to be giving you a background and introduction about myself. I am 34 years old, and I did grow up in the Milford area. However, my parents did get divorced when I was 4, so I did kind of juggle between the Clarkson area and the Milford area. But as an adult, my life has transitioned me to Commerce Township, where I share a home with my amazing family. I've been married to my husband, Matthew, for 9 years. We also share three amazing kiddos. I am blessed with a beautiful bonus daughter who's 13, and then we have two amazing little boys who are 9 and 6. Speaking of those two amazing boys, they both play travel soccer. So, yes, I'm a soccer mom, but trust me, I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. Our 9 year old actually just transitioned and signed a contract with the Novi Jags for their first division soccer team. And then our little guy who's 6 just signed his first contract. So we are super excited to see where this journey in our life is going to take us. Our life is crazy, and I can't lie. I am being a student. I also work full time at Henry Ford Hospital in West Bloomfield, where I hold a leadership role, which I truly love and wouldn't trade for anything. In that role, I am over our outpatient clinic and our emergency department for the registration team. So, as you can imagine, this past year with COVID definitely pushed us to be the best that we could be, challenged you in ways that you never knew you could be challenged. The reason why I truly love leadership, though, is it gives me a platform to be able to help people. And I have found that that is my purpose and that is my why in life. For me, being able to help take somebody when they are first starting their career and help watching them grow and mentor them to be at the next level in their career truly lets me know that I've done my piece and what I can do to help them. The other piece that I love is you meet a lot of people who are in bad places in their lives, and you get to help be that person that helps transition them from a bad part of their life, and you help put them in a good place, and it helps me know that I am in the right place and this is my purpose and my why. With that also being said, I do also have to get that lonely piece of paper so I continue to grow myself. So I am a student at Central working on my bachelor's slash my master's degree in organizational leadership because I truly, like I said, I love leadership. Central also has an amazing program and platform. I will say though, I just joined this past spring, and FYI, I thought the spring was supposed to be this spring, but it was January, which was okay. We made it work. I just originally thought it would have been more of the springtime. But all of that aside, I do love Central, the platform, the program, and I am super excited to be able to graduate and have my degree and see where my journey is going to continue to go. Some fun facts about me: I used to be a platinum blonde, believe it or not. I did make that hair color change though due to my career. I was actually a platinum blonde my entire life. I'm sure we'll talk about that later and get into it. The other fun fact about me is I'm completely addicted to coffee. Anyways, I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I'm really excited to get to know all of you and see your videos as well. Bye, guys.